RoxWIKI.com, best product advisor behind Amazon. RoxWIKI.com presents 10 best 3/8 ratchet. Let's see which 3/8 ratchet is best for you to buy. Starting with the list, number 1. Ratchet name: Performance Tool W9116 1/4 inch. Ratchet information: compact stubby design for use in tight spaces. Comfortable rubber cushion grip handle. Features 72 gear teeth for speed and durability. List number 2. Ratchet name: GearWrench 81215P120XP Full Polish Flex Teardrop Ratchet, 3/8 inch. Ratchet information: access: adjustable flex head, has 6 positions and gives additional clearance where needed for increased access. Speed: 120 positions give a 3-degree ratcheting arc, so you can turn a fastener in tighter confines. Speed: double-stacked pawls deliver 180% of ASME torque performance. List number 3. Ratchet name: Milwaukee 2457 20M12 3/8 ratchet tool only. Ratchet information: powerful 12-volt motor, delivers up to 35 feet-pounds of torque. Superior fastening speed, produces 250 RPM, with variable speed trigger for greater control. Onboard fuel gauge, helps you monitor the charge precisely for less downtime and the job. List number 4. Ratchet name: GearWrench 81216 F2-piece full Polish flex handle ratchet set. Ratchet information: flex head provides you with greater access. Low profile head provides access in tight confines, up to 20% more access than the competition. Fine tooth gear, 4.3 degrees ratchet arc. Flush mounted lever for on/off switch. List number 5. Ratchet name: Performance Tool W9116 Dual Drive Stubby, 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch. Ratchet information: Amazon giveaway allows you to run promotional giveaways in order to create buzz, reward your audience, and attract new followers and customers. Learn more about Amazon giveaway. List number 6. Ratchet name: Palm Ratchet, 3/8 drive. Mechanics Tools by 4137com by 4137.com. Ratchet information: drop forged chrome vanadium steel. Heat treated and chrome plated. Spring loaded ball bearings hold sockets securely. Compact, portable, and ideal for working in tight areas. List number 7. Ratchet name: Craftsman Extreme Grip 72 teeth ratchet, 3/8 inch. Ratchet information: 72 tooth ratcheting mechanism. 5-degree ratcheting arc. Quick release mechanism. Thumb activated reversal switch. List number 8. Ratchet name: Wera 8100 SP2 Zyklop 3/8 inch metric ratchet set, 43 pieces. Ratchet information: includes 3/8 inch ratchet, 18 sockets, metric, 2 flexible lock extensions, short and long, sliding T-handle, universal joint, wobble extension, adapter and 18 bits. Combines the features of 5 ratchets into one tool, becomes a screwdriver with unbelievable speed in the inline position. Reversible ratchet with 72 fine-pitched teeth, works quickly and precisely in confined spaces, clockwise or counterclockwise. List number 9. Ratchet name: Wera Zyklop 8000B, 3/8 inch drive ratchet. Ratchet information: Wera 3/8 inch Zyklop ratchet combines 5 ratchet types into one robust tool. Swivel head has defining lock points at 0, 15 and 90 degrees left and right, preventing the head from slipping, for reliable and safe working. List number 10. Ratchet name: Ingersoll Rand 1207 Max D3 3/8 inch air ratchet. Ratchet information: innovative forward, reverse collar, variable speed power regulator, adjustable exhaust. Nickel-plated housing provides enhanced corrosion resistance. Ergonomic coupling nut and composite handle ensure operator comfort even during extended use. Composite handle insulates from the cold. Thank you for watching our video about 10 best 3/8 ratchet. To get those 3/8 ratchet, follow the description link below and subscribe to our channel for future upload.